Welcome to Lecture 6 of the comprehensive PHR exam preparation course. In this session, we will explore the indispensable role of human resources, HR, in organizations and understand the strategic importance it holds in driving organizational success. First, I want to provide you an introduction to HR's strategic importance. Human resources plays a pivotal role in modern organizations, serving as the backbone that supports and aligns the workforce with the organization's overall goals and objectives. HR professionals are not merely administrative support, they are strategic partners who contribute to shaping an organization's future. Now let's discuss the role of HR as a strategic business partner. In today's dynamic business environment, HR has transformed from being an operational support function to becoming a strategic business partner. HR professionals collaborate closely with top management and business leaders to identify and address HR challenges that impact the organization's bottom line. In this slide, we will discuss the role of HR in talent acquisition and management. One of HR's essential functions is talent acquisition and management. Attracting and retaining top talent is vital for an organization's growth and competitiveness. HR professionals work diligently to identify the right talent, recruit candidates that fit the organization's culture, and nurture employee growth through strategic talent development programs. HR plays a vital role in employee engagement and performance management. Engaged employees are the backbone of a successful organization. HR professionals take the lead in creating a positive work environment that fosters employee engagement. They conduct surveys, analyze feedback, and implement strategies to boost employee satisfaction and retention. Performance management is a critical HR function that involves setting clear performance expectations, providing constructive feedback, and recognizing exceptional contributions. HR professionals work closely with managers to implement performance improvement plans and ensure employees' career development aligns with organizational goals. Let's discuss HR's role in learning and development. HR is responsible for designing and delivering effective learning and development programs to enhance employee skills and competencies. Through continuous learning initiatives, HR ensures employees remain adaptable and well-equipped to meet evolving business challenges. HR plays a crucial role in shaping an organization's culture and values. They promote ethical behavior, diversity and inclusion, and a sense of purpose among employees, fostering a positive and inclusive work environment. Change is a constant in today's business world. HR professionals help manage organizational changes by communicating effectively, providing support to employees, and ensuring a smooth transition during restructuring or mergers. HR plays a vital role in employee relations and conflict resolution. Maintaining healthy employee relations is paramount for a harmonious work environment. HR professionals act as mediators in resolving conflicts and disputes, ensuring a productive and collaborative workplace. Compliance and legal matters. HR professionals must stay updated with employment laws and regulations to ensure the organization's adherence to legal requirements. They oversee compliance with labor laws, workplace safety standards, and other statutory obligations. HR leverages data and analytics to make informed decisions. HR professionals track key metrics such as employee turnover, productivity, and engagement to identify trends and make data-driven improvements. In conclusion, understanding the strategic importance of HR in organizations sets the foundation for your HR journey. As you progress through this course, you will delve deeper into each aspect of HR's role and learn how to apply these principles in real-world scenarios. Embrace HR's strategic impact, and get ready to become an effective HR professional, driving positive change and contributing to organizational success.